I'm in front of a pizzeria, a place in which the local, when they are a little hungry, they want to have a slice of pizza, but in Lucca, more than the pizza, a slice of cecina. What is that? It's a chickpea cake, and we're going inside to see how they prepare it. I am with Domenico, and he's ready to make the best dish in Lucca if you're a little hungry. It means cecina. Domenico is specialized, and as you can see, is already prepared on inside this pot the flour of chickpeas. And now we're going to see what he's going to do. He takes, can you see, this container inside water. It's just cold water. And then add drop by drop, as you can see, the water with the chickpea, just smashing everything inside with this spoon in wood. Just a few minutes. You must be strong, eh? Like Domenico, huh? Then it's always softer and softer and softer and softer. The time is passing. You can hear the sounds of the tower, the old tower that is called the Tower of the Hour from 13th centuries, with the dong dong of the old bells. And now look, yes, completely fitted the container with the water. It's very liquid now. It's done. It's ready. And now he takes another container. Two minutes. As you can see now, there is no more foam on the top. It's past just 2 minutes. And now Domenico is just cleaning the top. It's like a cream, as you can see. And after this process, he had just a little bit of oil. Now, the spoon again. And now it's in the pot. This dish. It's very liquid, as you can see, behind the most important ingredient. It means the fire. And now it goes inside for more or less 10 minutes, probably a little bit more. Right. The cecina is ready, and as you can see on the top, it's very crispy. So Mr. Pellegrini has touched constantly the situation, and now it's ready. Maybe you wait a few minutes and then we can eat it.